This is a tutorial for OTJoy, and let's analyze the music first. It's written in the treble clef, meaning that we're going to be using the right side of the key using our right hand. It consists of 2 lines. Each line is 4 measures. And the second line ends with a double bar line, meaning that this is the end of the song. Let's compare the rhythm of the 2 lines together. They look exactly the same. A whole bunch of quarter notes, and the last note is a half note. Let's go ahead and practice clapping both lines, counting the beats. Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. In terms of the notes are almost identical except for the last measure of each line. The last measure of the first line ends with EDD, whereas the second line ends with DCC. So the first thing to do is to find where to place your hand on the keyboard. To do that, find the 2 black keys in the middle, put your second and third finger on them, and then place your thumb on the white key to the left of the second finger. And just drag your second and third fingers to the white keys. Okay, so you end up having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, if you would like to, you can mark this note, because this is very important, middle C. It's the most important note in the piano. Alright, so let's practice by taking your hand off and find your place again on the keyboard. Okay, now looking at the music, the first note is played with which finger? The third finger. Okay, so what you do is just play the notes in steady beat, applying the correct fingers, and when you reach the last note, you hold your finger for 2 beats, like this. Now, some of you make mistakes. Some of you might use 1 finger. Can do that. Some of you will play with whatever fingers. Nope. Some of you may be tempted playing with 2 hands. Nope. It has to be your right hand using the exact fingers. Now, the other thing that many of you did when you submitted your videos is the ending is incorrect. You ended the first line playing like this. Incorrect. It should be. And the last piece, the last measure of the song, you played it incorrectly like this. It should be played. If you're confused about this, just clap it yourself. Just clap the last measure. It's the same for the first line and the last line, and it goes like, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Just apply that.